Hey guys, Nick Smith out here at my newest listing, 3338 Barmouth Drive in Antioch. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single story in a great location. We're just shy of 1,500 square feet. Go on in, take a look at it, and let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed that tour over here at 3338 Barmouth Drive in Antioch. If you guys want some more information, go check out our website, 3338barmouth.com, or you can always call me direct, 925-584-5975. I'm gonna steal a bagel here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.